Hey guys, it's me Paul Mayer. Today I'm bringing you with a new episode of a tutorial on how to get unlimited coins on Subway Surfers. So yeah, you're gonna need Subway Surfers, of course, and an app called Freedom. So yeah, I'll be showing you right now. Okay, so you're gonna open up Freedom, and Subway Surfers will appear right here. So you're gonna tap it, and it says please wait. So yeah. Dancing with bears, please be patient. I'll be eaten by bears if I dance with them. Oh, son of a... Yes, 2 minutes. Okay, so yeah, you're gonna have to go to shop and go to store, and then go to value of coins. It says buy, press buy, and payment successful, and it's free. It's all free. And then I'll add and keep on adding and keep on adding, and you can buy anything you want. No, and you need gel, and you need root for this. So yeah, I'll also show you how to get root, which is kind of easy. So you're gonna need an app called ForShared and Rootmaster, I think it is. Master Root? No. Root Master. So you're gonna download one of these, and once you do that, let me just do it really quickly. And you see the second button, you're gonna have to press the second button. And you're gonna press the button root. You're gonna press the red button, and then you have root access. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Like, comment, subscribe. See you guys later.